Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, I'm going to tell you guys how my company was able to make over $7,200 off of this property right here. All right. So for those of you who do not know, I am in the surplus funds business. This property was sold due to non-payment in taxes. Property was sold at an auction for a higher amount. When there was a higher amount, this left a surplus balance. Now, this claim is very unique, so this video is going to be very important for you guys to watch the full video and understand how you can actually do this. So this property is located in Georgia, and if you've looked at Georgia, you've probably seen a lot of counties do not work with third parties. All right, they'll literally say it: we do not work with third parties. So how do you work around that? You hire an attorney. So I did hire an attorney, but the reason why this case was so complex, first of all, the previous owner was deceased, so we had to help the heirs. Also, there were multiple heirs, and one of the heirs already signed up with a company that wasn't doing any work. So what did we have to do? We actually had to reach out to the company that they signed up with. Since they weren't putting forth any efforts to file the claim, we had to come to a settlement. All right, so they ended up receiving a portion of the surplus. We ended up receiving a little over $45,000 to recover these. The surplus amount was $45,000, and then we had our success fee, and we ended up making over $7,000 on this claim. I'll show you guys in the check. You can see right here, we got $7,276, and the other heirs, they received their funds. All right. So this claim right here, we received the information from Wiseman Law, Excess Funds. It has all the counties in Georgia. And then we took the information, we performed our due diligence, we performed our skip tracing, we got the previous owner's information, discovered that they were deceased, looked up relatives, contact relatives, got them under contract, and then we ended up submitting our case to the attorney. Now, when working with an attorney, we present everything, all the information: the property address, the county name, the date of the sale, the amount that was owed, the final sell amount, the potential surplus, details in regards to the claim, any documents, if there are any liens. So I'm making the attorney's job as simple as possible. All right. So then when they're submitting the claim, we have to make sure that the documents get signed. So we needed to get a limited power of attorney between all the clients and the attorney. We facilitated that with paying for a notary. All right, so you can see that the $7,000 that we received, we are providing value and we are doing things. So we made sure the documents were getting facilitated. We had to get an affidavit of heirship. We had to get the proof of identification, and we submitted the claim. We had to communicate with the other third-party company. We had to come to an agreement. We received the funds, and it was well worth it, guys. We ended up getting paid out within 30 days after the claim was submitted. And everything went smooth. So keep in mind, my company's in Puerto Rico. All right, my company's located in Puerto Rico, and we work all 50 states. You can work Georgia. Do not let it hinder you if you see, oh, they don't work with third-party companies. You just hire an attorney. All right, guys. So quick little video. Once again, made a little over $7,000 from this property right here. Didn't require any money up front. We didn't have to renovate the property. We didn't have to put the property on Airbnb. There were simply funds available from this tax sale, and we were able to get this to the correct entity that was entitled to these funds. All right, so if you guys are looking to learn how to do this business step by step, you want the documents, you want to learn how you can work many states, the link is in the description so you guys can get the training.